How to turn off restricted mode in YouTube. So if you want to turn off restricted mode in YouTube, then first of all make sure you have a stable internet connection, and then you have to open up your YouTube application. And after opening your YouTube, you can go to your profile, which is on the upper right corner, and then under your profile you have to tap on settings. And here under settings you will have a bunch of options. So before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now if you want to turn off the restricted mode, then you can simply tap on general, which is on the first option, and then if you scroll down you will have a restricted mode option on the last second option. And now if you want to turn that restricted mode off, then you can simply tap on that. And that's it. That's how you turn off the restricted mode on YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.